1. Introduction: Business credit cards using EIN-Only. When managing your business, one of the essential tools you need is a business credit card that exclusively uses your employer identification number, EIN. Unlike traditional cards tied to your Social Security number, SSN, an EIN-Only business credit card protects your personal assets by keeping your business finances separate. In this discussion, we'll review the top 10 business credit cards available to entrepreneurs using only an EIN. These cards cater to businesses with bad or no credit and provide a pathway to rebuilding or establishing your business credit. Footnote: An EIN-Only business credit card helps separate personal and business finances, protecting personal assets in case of business financial issues. 2. Marriott Bonvoy Business American Express Card. The Marriott Bonvoy Business American Express Card offers great rewards, especially for business owners who frequently travel. With 6x points at participating Marriott hotels, 4x points at U.S. restaurants and gas stations, and 2x points on all other purchases, this card is perfect for businesses with travel-related expenses. The card also offers a 75,000-point intro bonus, which can be redeemed for hotel stays or other travel-related benefits. The annual fee is $125, with an APR between 15% and 25%. This card is ideal for businesses that prioritize rewards for frequent stays at Marriott hotels. Footnote: The Marriott Bonvoy Business American Express Card is a travel rewards card with valuable perks for frequent travelers. 3. Super America Gas Credit Card. The Super America Gas Credit Card is a practical option for businesses with transportation or fleet management needs. This card can be used at all Super America gas stations and their partner stations nationwide. Available with an EIN-Only application, it's designed for businesses that need to manage gas expenses. While the application requires good business or personal credit, the card offers useful benefits for fleet owners, including expense monitoring and easy payment terms. This card is ideal for businesses that need to track and manage fuel purchases. Footnote: The Super America Gas Credit Card is perfect for fleet management and businesses with high fuel consumption. 4. Shell Small Business Card. The Shell Small Business Card offers convenience for businesses that need to manage fuel expenses. It provides control over spending by grouping transactions and categorizing fuel and non-fuel purchases. Accepted at over 14,000 stations, it helps businesses streamline gas purchases. The card also provides flexible payment terms, allowing users to track spending and monitor transactions online. For companies with annual sales of at least $10,000 or those in business for at least 6 months, this card can be a valuable asset. Footnote: The Shell Small Business Card is ideal for businesses that require efficient fleet and fuel expense management. 5. Sam's Club Business Mastercard. The Sam's Club Business Mastercard offers excellent benefits for businesses that shop at Sam's Club. This card provides 5% cash back on purchases at Sam's Club, 3% on travel and restaurants, and 1% on all other purchases. To qualify, businesses must have at least $10,000 in monthly sales and be in operation for at least 6 months. The card has no annual fee, and the APR ranges from 14% to 22%. With cashback rewards and no annual fee, this card is a great option for businesses that make frequent purchases at Sam's Club. Footnote: The Sam's Club Business Mastercard is beneficial for businesses that shop regularly at Sam's Club, offering cashback rewards on purchases. 6. Citi Business Advantage Platinum Select Mastercard. The Citi Business Advantage Platinum Select Mastercard is designed for businesses with a moderate level of credit and those seeking travel rewards. It offers 2x miles on purchases at American Airlines and certain telecommunications merchants. Additionally, businesses can earn 65,000 bonus miles with a $4,000 spend in the first 3 months. With an annual fee of $99, waived for the first year, this card provides solid benefits for businesses in the travel industry. The APR ranges from 16% to 25%. Footnote: the Citi Business Advantage Platinum Select MasterCard is best for businesses that travel often with American Airlines. 7. Office Depot Office Max Business Credit Card. The Office Depot Office Max Business Credit Card is ideal for businesses that make frequent purchases at Office Depot or Office Max. The card offers rewards on office supplies and allows businesses to save 5% on purchases over $500. The card is available with an EIN-Only application and offers easy management through online statements. The APR is high at 23.9%, but the card does not have an annual fee. It's perfect for businesses in need of office supplies or seeking to make large purchases at Office Depot. Footnote: the Office Depot Office Max Business Credit Card offers 5% savings on larger purchases and rewards for office supplies. 8. Costco Anywhere Visa Business Card. The Costco Anywhere Visa Business Card is a great option for businesses that regularly shop at Costco. The card offers 4% cashback on gas, up to $7,000 per year, 3% on restaurants and travel, and 1% on all other purchases. There is no annual fee with the card, but you must have a paid Costco membership to qualify. The APR ranges from 15.25% to 25%, making it a valuable choice for businesses that already use Costco for supplies or travel-related expenses. Footnote: the Costco Anywhere Visa Business Card offers strong cashback benefits for businesses that purchase gas and supplies at Costco. 9. Capital One Spark Cash for Business. The Capital One Spark Cash for Business card is designed for business owners who want a straightforward, no-hassle card with unlimited cash back. You'll earn 2% cash back on all purchases, with no limits or restrictions. The card offers a $500 intro bonus after a $4,500 spend in the first 3 months. With a 21% variable APR and no annual fee for the first year, this card is a good choice for businesses looking for a simple and rewarding credit card. Footnote: the Capital One Spark Cash for Business card offers a simple cashback system with no limits, perfect for businesses seeking straightforward rewards. 10. American Express Blue Business Cash Card. The American Express Blue Business Cash Card offers 2% cash back on the first $50,000 spent annually and 1% thereafter. It has no annual fee, and the APR ranges from 13.24% to 19.24%. This card is perfect for businesses that spend a significant amount on eligible purchases. The cash back earned is automatically credited to your statement, and you can earn beyond your credit limit with American Express's extended buying power feature. Footnote: the American Express Blue Business Cash Card offers great cashback rewards with no annual fee and extended buying power for growing businesses. 11. Conclusion: Top 10 Business Credit Cards Using EIN-Only. Choosing the right business credit card is crucial for managing your business's finances and protecting your personal assets. The top 10 cards listed here offer a range of benefits, from cashback rewards to travel perks, and they all allow you to apply using only your EIN. While these cards come with varying fees and APRs, they provide a valuable resource for businesses looking to establish or rebuild their credit. Footnote: EIN-Only business credit cards provide essential tools for business owners to manage expenses and build business credit without risking personal assets.